Alright guys, another Guru unboxing for you here. Today we have a fly helmet. This is the Elite Guild helmet. It's one of their new lines. This is the Toxin. Check that out. That has to be, I'm not normally a pink kind of guy. That has to be one of the coolest color schemes I've seen in a long time. Now it's a matte finish, it's not a glossy. Pull the visor up closer to where it's supposed to be, but that is such a cool finish. This is an adult small. Man, it's so sharp. The thing's, it's DOT and ECE certified. It's got all kinds of vents on it. You got 3 on each side, right on the back. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, 5, 6 on the bottom. That's kind of cool. You don't normally see a design like that in the mouthpiece. But all the inner foam is solid black. You don't see that a whole lot anymore. I like when they do the colored bottoms, and the pinks even match really close. It's definitely going to stand out on the track 100%. So these seem to fit really true to size as well. Man, that's just a sharp looking helmet. You can just kind of tell, looking at it through the camera here, you can kind of get a more real life perspective on what the colors are going to look like better than you can in the magazine. I really like the colored match rubber on the face guard and on the bottom. And in this particular situation, she actually went with the blue light hydrogen jersey and the pink and black light hydrogen pants to match. So it's going to be super cool. And then mixed in a little lime green socks, which you won't be able to see, but still pretty cool. So she should be really sharp wearing this. Just a kind of like a bubblegum, cotton candy-ish kind of scheme it reminds me of. But yeah, these are nice helmets, and they're not super expensive. So yeah, just showing you what it looked like, man. So appreciate you watching. Hit subscribe, hit the bell.